Campus Tour Season 1 was in the middle of production when it had to get shut down due to COVID-19.
Latest in the battle against coronavirus, the governor today announced a new stay-at-home order.
This shelter-in-place order affecting those most at risk went into.
But after a long lockdown, we are back with Season 2 of Rolling with Nick Campus Tours, and I am so excited to be back. We are following safety protocols and making sure that we are safe and we are not trying to spread COVID-19. I got my mask right here for anybody who is interested. But yes, y'all, I'm so excited to be back, and we are starting up right here on the West Coast at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas, and I am so excited to be back with you all. I absolutely love doing this. This is for everybody who may not be able to come here or who wants some more information. Maybe this may be a fit for you. So we are here at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas campus, not far away from the famous Las Vegas Strip. So y'all grab your popcorn, grab your notes, do whatever you got to do. So we are going to roll with Nick and tour this campus. So get y'all energies up, and we are going to start right. All right, y'all, so for our first stop, behind me, we have everybody loves this place. This is the Student Center. This is gonna be home to the Student Recreation Center. We have Einstein Bros Bagels. We have the pools, we have sports, we have student health, we have counseling and psychology services. We have the School of Dental Medicine, outdoor trips, equipment rentals, the bike shop. You have this place behind me that is called the Greens to Go. I'm pretty sure it got some greens for you to go. Got it? No, okay. But yeah, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna go inside. So come on, let's go. All right, y'all, so behind me we have the Student Service Complex A, B, and C. And this right here is home to the Admission Center. So if you're really interested in coming here, this is exactly where you'll go. Admissions, then you have career services. So those help you when you're actually here. They help you with your resume, with your LinkedIn profile, with trying to get a job. That's where you go to the Career Service Center. Then you have cashier and student accounts. So that's basically tuition. That's where you're gonna go to pay your tuition.
What money reside, what money reside, what money reside, what money reside.
Or try to, yeah. And then you have the Center for Academic Enrichment and Outreach. Then you have the Disability Resource Center. So that's for disabilities. If you have any questions about that, visit the Disability Resource Center. And then after that, you have financial aid and scholarships. Now, financial aid and scholarships is huge because it really helps with your tuition. Try as much as you can to get as many scholarships because those really help. I know for a fact they helped me when I was in college. So go to that, they will have a list of scholarships that you can apply to, and they have so many different scholarships for like minorities, people that, and scholarships.com and Scholly, SCHOLLY, those are great resources. Trust me, y'all, trust me, they are. And then you have the International Students and Scholars. That's for the international students, I believe. And then you have the Women's Center, and then you have the Military and Veteran Service Center. Then you have the Office of the Registrar, and then you have the summer term. So I'm assuming that those are for those who are taking like summer classes and all that good stuff. So this is exactly where you'll go. You have all of this in Student Service Complex A, B, and C. All right, y'all, then we are right here in front of the Academic Success Center, and this is where we have the academic advising for your career, for your school career, and seeing where you at, how many credits you have left, and all that good stuff. Then you have the academic success coaching, academic transitions, we have bridge programs, student athlete academic services, tutoring, and supplemental instruction. So this is where we're gonna go to help you be successful. Yeah. All right, so now we are entering the hub of the upper class residence complex, and this right here is going to be the Eugene R. Warner building. So this building contains offices and administrative spaces for the residential life coordinator, meeting areas, mailboxes for residents, etc., etc., etc. All right, and then we have the Margie and Robert Feyman Residence Hall, which is, depends how you look at it, to the right or to the left of the hall that we just passed. And this is also a part of the upper class complex. It's a group of 4 3-story buildings. And then now we make our way over right across the street to the Dayton Complex. Now this is a 3- and 4-story residential complex with a courtyard right in the center. Theme floors include single gender, substance free, study intensive communities, and then so we have laundry facilities in here as well, game area, study rooms, internet accessibility, you name it, they probably got it. Not too far away, you have the Tonopah Residence Complex. Now this is a 6-story, 2-building residence housing complex with a capacity of 622 guests. And then you have the Greenspun Hall. So you may ask, all right, outside of school, what's the nightlife? What's going on around here? First of all, you have the one and the only for food, the famous In-N-Out Burger. We got that. You got a Mexican grill back here. You got a plaza called University Gardens. And not to mention, we are only a few miles away from the Las Vegas Strip. So there's a lot to do around here. So this is literally one of them city schools where you can, enjoy and explore the nightlife. All right, y'all, right behind me, you have this beautiful hospitality hall. Just freaking amazing. So we are here standing in front of the Carol C. Harder Classroom Building Complex, and here you can see that we have lecture halls. We have the College of Liberal Arts. We have international programs. We have women's research. We have classrooms. We have labs. So that's all going to be right here in this classroom building complex. And then right across, we actually have the Central Desert Complex. I'm just going to keep this rolling. We have the Central Desert Complex, which is going to be home to so many different places. And that is all right here. And then as you can see further down, we have the library. So let's go ahead and see what's going on at the library. All right, y'all. So our last stop behind me, you can see that this is the library. Now it's celebrating, it says 20 years. And when I tell you, this is where you're probably going to spend so much of your time. It's going to be finals, midterms, hang out with your friends, this is where you're going to spend a lot of your time doing research, checking out books, meeting new people, and it's just a really beautiful place to be. College is really a beautiful thing. It's all about what you make it. I had a great experience. Would I go back? No. No. All right, y'all, that ends our journey here at the University of Nevada, Las Vegas complex. Thank you so much, y'all. I hope I was able to help some of y'all decide whether or not this school could be of interest to you, or if you just wanted to see what University of Nevada, Las Vegas campus was all about. So I hope I was able to answer any questions that you all have, but if not, please make sure that you can comment, please comment, and I'll try to answer your questions to the best of my ability. If not, I will direct you to someplace that possibly can. But anyways, y'all, thank you so much for checking out yet Campus Season 2 of Episode 1 of Rolling with Nick, Campus Tours. So I'm about to go have some fun on the Las Vegas Strip, and so please make sure you all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you don't miss any of the latest content. And until next episode, let's see where we're going to be at next. Please make sure you all stay safe, stay happy, stay blessed. Tell someone that you love them, and I will see you all later. The end of our journey here at the University of Las Vegas, the end of the University of... I am just so excited to be back, y'all, and I'm gonna wait for somebody to pass because I get nervous every time somebody comes by. So I'm just gonna wait for somebody to pass, and then I'm gonna start this thing once again right now. Ooh, too short, jeez. We have the student center, so after, this is gonna be the one that we do after the residence hall episode of Nevada, Las Vegas.